What does success really look like for a Muslim man? Is it wealth, fame, power? Or is it something deeper? Something eternal? Today, we're going to explore how a truly successful Muslim man looks like, not through the lens of the dunya alone, but through the guidance of Islam. Many people chase success their entire lives, but only a few understand what true success is. Allah tells us that real success is not temporary, it is the success of the hereafter. So let's break it down. A successful Muslim man starts with one thing above all: his relationship with Allah. He prays his Salah on time, not because it's a habit but because it's his priority. He remembers Allah in ease and in hardship. He trusts Allah when things go wrong, because he knows, if Allah is with me, I have everything. True success is reflected in character. A successful Muslim man is honest in his speech, humble in his attitude, kind to others, forgiving when wronged. He doesn't insult, backbite, or show arrogance, because the Prophet taught us that the best among us are those with the best manners. A successful Muslim man is responsible. He takes care of his family. He respects his parents. He fulfills his duties, whether as a son, husband, or father. He doesn't run from responsibility. He embraces it, because he knows he will be questioned by Allah about every role he was given. Success in Islam is not just about earning money. It's about how you earn it. A successful Muslim man works hard, avoids haram income, provides halal sustenance for his family. Even if he earns less, he chooses barakah over quantity. Because halal brings peace, haram brings destruction. He controls his desires. In a world full of temptation, he lowers his gaze. He protects his heart. He avoids what displeases Allah even when no one is watching. That's real strength. Not physical power, but control over the nafs. A successful Muslim man never stops learning. He seeks knowledge of Islam. He understands the Quran. He learns what is halal and haram, because knowledge guides his decisions. Without knowledge, success becomes blind. This dunya is temporary. A successful Muslim man enjoys what is halal, but his heart is attached to the Akhirah. He gives charity. He does good deeds. He prepares for the day he will meet Allah, because he knows real success is entering Jannah. So, what does a successful Muslim man look like? He may not always be rich. He may not always be famous. But he is close to Allah, strong in character, responsible, honest, disciplined, focused on the hereafter. That is true success. If this reminded you of what real success looks like, share this video with someone who needs it. And ask yourself today, am I chasing dunya or Jannah?